What is going on YouTube? It's Sankey and we are back with another one. Alright guys, so in this drop I'm coming at you with a couple of plays to jump into and out of in a short time frame for quicker profits. But before I get this show on the road, if you could help out the channel by hitting that like button, and if you're looking to change your future financially using the stock market, do join the movement by hitting that subscribe button. Alright guys, so we are switching gears. I've got a couple of plays for us to jump into and out of and take quicker profits. We're trying to be in and out of these plays in 1 or 2 weeks. As I say to you guys, there's different ways we dominate these markets. We have our medium to long-term holds, but we have our quicker trades as well. Now, when it comes to these types of moves, guys, it's all about the entry, the exit, and limiting your risk with those stop limits or trailing stop losses. Now, these moves are a bit more fast-paced, so if you're ready to rock and roll, I'm ready to put you guys on some game, help you guys make some money. All right, guys, you know what time it is. Let's get ready for our first one. Our first play, that's QuantumScape, ticker symbol QS, currently standing at $45. Now, last week's drop, I said to you guys, we are waiting for a call off in this stock price till they get to that $45 mark. This is always going to be a volatile play, given that they don't make revenues now. A lot of their projects are in the future, but that doesn't stop us crushing this one as a swing trade play because they're going to move up and down wildly for the next couple of years. So if you guys make entry on this one, next time they have a catalyst or show some developments with their battery, this one will spike up. Now, as I say to you guys, we're looking to exit this one at $52. You can net some profit, move to the next one. As I say, with these swing trades, guys, it's all about keeping it moving, taking profit from one play, not being greedy, not holding on too long, taking that, moving to the next one. There's several swing trade plays I'm gonna put you guys on. Now, with this play, I say we set our stop limits on this one at $40. Cash out if it drops below $40. Now, I say we always want to limit our downside with these swing trade plays. Our next play, that's Marathon Digital Holdings, ticker symbol MARA, currently standing at $49. This is a play I know at the back of my hand since we've held this one since $2, guys, and we've been crushing this play on their climb. This is an ideal swing trade candidate due to the volatility and due to that linkage to the price of Bitcoin. I'm gonna throw out the price of Bitcoin for you guys to see. We're showing some good momentum in the price of Bitcoin right now, which means that's gonna transfer over into the price of Mara. So check me out on this one. This week, this play hit highs around that $57 mark. So it gives us the opportunity to load up on this one below $50 before they make their climb back to that all-time high in the mid-50s. Now, when it comes to these crypto plays, guys, what we're starting to see is the market is becoming a bit more desensitized to other crypto and crypto-related plays that are starting to announce their crypto developments. So I always say, stay old school when it comes to crypto plays like a Marathon, which is looking to scale up. Remember, they are deploying those 100,000 miners over the next 12 months. This just puts them in a league of their own versus the other crypto related plays. No play is doing it on the scale that Mara is. That's why you're seeing the market so receptive to that Marathon share price. You're seeing those spikes upwards, and it's going to continue to do so as long as the market is favorable to Bitcoin and we see momentum in the price of Bitcoin. So let me tell you guys how we're going to play this one. Right now, Mara's standing at $49. I like this one for a swing trade under $50. Jump in 49, we'll take them up to the mid 50s. That's $55, $56 on this one. At that point, we'll cash out, keep it moving. Now, we also got to set our stop limits on this play. I'm gonna need you guys to set your stop limit at $44 on this one. Our next play, that's FinTech Acquisition Corp 5, ticker symbol FTCV. This is the SPAC that's merging with eToro. This is the play I put on your radar a couple of weeks back. As I say, guys, I only invest in those quality SPAC plays that are merging with quality businesses that have continual years of runway left in them. So as you can see, guys, strong performance on the week. Now, this one is showing momentum. So this is looking like a swing trade candidate, especially since next week we're seeing that listing of Coinbase as well. So that could potentially give a bit of sympathy to this one and see that stock price increase. So strategy with this one is we're looking to enter this one below $14. So remember, swing trades, guys, just about grabbing a couple of shares here and there, throw a couple of $100 down, limit your risk on these swing trade plays. We're getting in below 14. We're taking this one to 15.50. Get to 15.50, you cash out, move to the next one. I'm also going to need you guys to set your stop limit on this play. Of course, setting your stop limit at $13. Alright guys, so those are your 3 quick money grabs as we head into next week. But I'm going to give you the early heads up on one additional play. Now this play isn't to be picked up just yet. We've got to wait for a cool off in that stock price before pulling the trigger. But this is the play we're going to continue to dominate as a swing trade option going on right throughout the year. So up on screen, that's Silvergate Capital, ticker symbol SI, current standing at $163. Now this is not a new play to us. We've been rocking with this play for a while now. This is a banking crypto play that's very volatile in nature, which makes it ideal as a swing trade candidate. Let me give you guys a formula for this one. We're looking to catch this one under $125. We're going to take this one all the way up to $160. When we hit 160, we cash out, move to the next one. I'm also going to need you guys to set your stop limit on this one at $120. As I say guys, this is always going to be a volatile play given its linkage to the price of Bitcoin and other digital currencies. So this is just a play I want to give you guys an early heads up for, so you're prepped and ready before we start crushing it with this play. Let's talk about how we can level up as investors. So I want to talk to you guys about cutting losses. Now, when it comes to a successful swing trade, there's 3 things amongst others you guys want to ensure you're getting right. The first is a good entry, and I hand that to you. The second is you want to be strict with your exit. Last week I spoke to you guys about how you don't want to let emotion start getting involved with your trades once you start seeing that stock price run up and hit our exit prices. So you want to block out things like greed, stick to the exit price. The third is that you want to ensure you have your stop limits set on these plays. And that's important for a number of reasons. Now, on the rare occurrence that stock does break through support and hit your stop limit, you can cash you out, you can get that tax credit, but very importantly, with these swing trade plays, you're trying to be in and out quickly. So it avoids you guys having money tied up in a play that's broken through support when you could have taken that early loss, moved to the next winning trade, made your money back and more. So I want to give you guys a heads up with these swing trade plays, ensure you have your stop limits in place. Now, as I say, it's a very rare occurrence that it will break through support because we are getting in at a very strong line of support on these plays before they make their climb. Alright guys, for rock with the channel, you know what time it is. This question comes from Surrender, says, when you say net profit at 25%, is that part sell or full sell, i.e. end of the play? So when I say take profit as it relates to swing trading, when that stock hits our exit price, you cash out the entire holding that you've apportioned for swing trading. Now, some of our swing trading plays are also our long-term plays. So take a Vuzi for example. You might be sitting like me on 100 shares long-term in Vuzi, but you might apportion 10 shares, additional shares, meaning your total holding is 110 for swing trading. So when that stock hits our exit price as it relates to swing trading, you cash out the 10 additional shares, leave the 100 in the tank to run. Now, when it comes to our long-term plays along the way, I'll give you guys checkpoints, opportunities to take profit from that play. Take a pins, for example. We've seen that blow up over the last couple of days, hit that $85 mark. That's an opportunity, if you wish to do so, to take profit from the play. Now, that's not to cash out your entire holding. If you're holding 100 shares in pins, you could take out 25 shares, leave the rest in the tank to run. Now, the reason why you might take out 25 is to give you guys liquid cash that you can go and fund your lifestyles or to reinvest back into the markets into another play. The reason why we leave the 75 shares in the tank in this example is because there's still room for this play to run up. And also you want to keep that play on your radar, because if you start selling out the entire holding, you're going to have that out of sight, out of mind thing going on. So you always want these high growth plays to be on your radar. So hope that clears up the selling strategy as it relates to swing trade plays and our long-term plays. Alright guys, so that wraps things up. Do help out the channel by hitting that like button. And if you're new, join the movement by hitting that subscribe. Also, check out a link down below to the Patreon, where you can join our team of investors over at the Discord and connect with like-minded individuals like you and I. So as I say, as we progress to the rest of the weekend, you guys know I am packing the heat to ensure that we dominate next week in the markets. So I'll catch you guys in the next one.